The bright golden yellow spice is a treat for your health. Packed with antiviral, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties, this root can be also used fresh, dried, or in the powdered form to enhance the flavor and color of the dishes. It can ease arthritis, combat cold, and keep away Alzheimer's disease. That is quite something for the humble turmeric. However, there is a certain set of side effects associated with turmeric as well. While these are rare, understanding them can come handy at some point of time. 1. Leads to vomiting. Studies suggest that people who use turmeric in the form of supplements or powder in high amounts above 2,000 milligrams a day are known to experience vomiting. The extent of this side effect varies from person to person. 2. Triggers heartburns. When used in large amounts, this golden spice root is known to trigger acidity, heartburns, or both. This, if left untreated for a prolonged time, can actually cause gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Even worse, your digestive system can suffer irrecoverable damages. 3. Causes stomach upset. There are certain people who are sensitive to spices, including turmeric. If you are one among those, then you might probably experience a little irritation in your tummy. It can either be in the form of cramps or flatulence. Either way, the con is painful. It could probably be due to the use of this spice in large amounts. In such cases, restricting the quantity of intake could provide relief. Or, you could just go slow. 4. Damages liver. Various studies conducted on animals suggest that turmeric has potential negative impacts on the liver. While there is no proof of the same on humans, it is better to stay safe than worry after you fall prey. 5. Leads to bleeding. Turmeric is one of the best-known anti-clotting herbal remedies. People suffering from bleeding disorders should stay safe while using this spice, as it is known to induce mild bleeding. Such people might even find blood while they vomit and/or while passing stool. 6. Causes hypoglycemia. Turmeric powder is good for diabetic people, but be cautious while using this. This yellow spice is known to possess powerful blood sugar-lowering properties. And an extremely low level of blood sugar could trigger hypoglycemia, especially when used along with medications for diabetes. 7. Affects stool elimination. While turmeric powder is touted to be an effective home remedy for an upset stomach, using this in excessive quantities can leave you with an uncomfortable tummy. This, in turn, could leave you constipated, or you might find yourself visiting the restroom frequently due to loose stool. Just cut down the amount of this spice you use to ease these conditions. 8. Harms blood corpuscles. Using turmeric in excessive quantities can damage white and red blood corpuscles. 9. Hinders anti-cancer treatment. The antioxidant nature of this spice hinders the effects of chemotherapy, which in fact is known to be effective in easing and combating cancer. While reasons are yet to unrevealed, you could check with your doctor. 10. Affects pregnancy. While it is not clear, studies suggest that using this spice has a negative impact on your pregnancy. The uterine-stimulating property of this spice can induce premature contractions of the uterus, vaginal bleeding, or even miscarriage. Tips to avoid side effects of turmeric. The above outlined negative impacts of turmeric really can make you queasy. However, that does not imply that you should refrain from using this spice as such. While the side effects of this yellow-hued spice are rare, you could still be at its risk. So, to stay safe, all you have to do is to restrict the usage. Start with smaller quantities and let your body get used to it. Once the body accepts turmeric, you could probably increase the amount gradually. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like.